we're now at Villa Nol. Sorry, I got distracted by the sky. Okay, yeah. So we are now at Villa Nol. We have a pool, very big sized pool. I think we have a place to like massage our feet here. I don't know, but we have like sandbags. Yeah, bags. And then we're walking to our dining area. Yes, so upon arrival we had ice cream, welcome ice creams, juice, a walkthrough. Apparently we have our own like water dispenser. Has hot water, normal water, and cold water. Oh, and they also wrapped our fruits because apparently a civet cat will come in and eat the fruits. So cute. We came in with actually a bag to of like stuff to put in the fridge, and they put it in nicely for us. Awesome service. We even like have ice cream prepared for you. What? Awesome service. Okay, so we have a sofa here, and
Push.
I can open it. Our bedroom. Oops, sorry. Awesome bedroom. We have a study, which is like so big. An interesting balcony. They also gave us a phone to call. It has a line in it. We have a walk-in wardrobe. And they also said that we can dispose our dirty laundry in this basket and they'll wash it for us every day. To the bathroom. This is our shower. Just freaking big. And obviously our toilet bowl. To take a dump in the morning.
Are you sure you want this to go on Facebook?
Sure. And then our pool from the bathroom. I'll definitely like enjoy this. A nice big tub. And a big sink. And then we can just like
See how this stretches out to me.
Yeah, and then we can just like walk up from here to the dining area and the pool. Yeah, this is probably a really lousy tour, but I tried my best.